Imagine a time when photography was first invented. Before that, capturing reality depended entirely on an artist's interpretation. Then, photography changed everything. Now, think about the invention of film. Suddenly, motion could be recorded, no longer relying on drawings or stage plays. Case, generative AI is just as revolutionary. With AI, you don't need artistic talent to draw or sing. You don't need to manually write every news article or design every product from scratch. AI can now assist in all of these areas, producing images, music, text, and even entire 3D models in seconds. Sounds like magic, doesn't it? As Arthur C. Clarke says, any sufficiently advanced technology is indistinguishable from magic. And yet, this isn't magic. It's technology, working as a 24/7 creative assistant, helping us bring ideas to life almost instantly. Think about the things we create every day. Articles and product descriptions. Artificial intelligence can generate those dots. Custom-designed shoes or furniture. Artificial intelligence can help with that too. Sound effects, music, and voiceovers. Artificial intelligence is making it easier than ever. Generative AI isn't replacing creativity, it's amplifying it. By handling repetitive tasks and complex computations, it frees us up for more strategic and imaginative work. This is the real future of artificial intelligence, not taking over, but enhancing human creativity. Even though artificial intelligence made headlines in 2022, this revolution has been decades in the making. In 2006, researchers developed the first autoencoder neural networks. Over time, breakthroughs in machine learning paved the way for today's tools. Now, models like Stable Diffusion are shaping the way we interact with AI. And the results? The quality of AI-generated content has improved exponentially. In 2014, artificial intelligence could barely generate pixelated black and white images. By 2022, we could simply type a word and get realistic, high-quality results. AI is not just changing professions, it's redefining what work even means. For centuries, work has meant production, building, writing, calculating. But now, AI handles the production. That leaves us to focus on what makes us truly human. Our curiosity, our emotional intelligence, our dreams and creativity. A new era is beginning, one where AI assists with execution, while we explore new ideas, new innovations, and the deeper meaning of work itself. This is not a threat. This is a transformation, a beautiful new existence where we create, imagine, and push the limits of what's possible. So, what will you create? Let's create a story together with ChatGPT. Just follow the steps as given and see what you come up with. Keep it short,